Now class, in this lecture we will understood about the Microsoft Excel, how to work with Microsoft Excel. So before working MS Excel with MS Excel, you have to know just first how to open MS Excel. So this is the start button. When you click on the start button, after that click on this all program and then Microsoft Office, and the second program you have to select Microsoft Office Excel. This is the way how to open MS Excel. So this is the spreadsheet. It is also known as the worksheet for the Excel. The data you have entered will be spreaded out with the help of some columns and row. That's why it is known as a spreadsheet. Okay. So the data that you enter is stored as a workbook. A workbook is a collection of worksheet. Always remember, a workbook is a collection of worksheets. Like this is the workbook. In this workbook there are only 3 worksheets are there. So the collection of these 3 worksheets is known as the workbook. Always remember. So a worksheet contains cell organized in the form of row and column. A worksheet begins with a row number 1. These are the row numbers and these are the columns. And this is the name box. In the name box, whatever cell you will selected, the particular cell name will be displayed in this name box. This is A1, means A for the column and 1 for the row. For example, this is the selected cell. So the name of this selected cell is D8 because D is the column name and 8 is the row number. So in this way you can select the particular cell and display the name of that particular selected cell in the name box. Okay. Now next topic is working with sheet tab. This is the sheet tab. So in the sheet tab you can do the following things. Only 3 things you can do. First, you can insert a new worksheet. Suppose if you want to insert a new worksheet, so how to insert a worksheet? Just right click on the selected worksheet. From the sheet tab, right click on the particular sheet. Here is the option for inserting. Click on the insert button. This is the insert dialog box. This dialog box will appear when you click on the worksheet. So click on OK button. Your new worksheet will be selected after that, just before the selected worksheet. Okay, in this way. Or another way for inserting a new tab is this button. When you click on this insert button, you can insert a new sheet tab, or you can choose the shift plus F11 button. This is the way you can also insert a new sheet tab. Now second option with you work with sheet tab is you can rename the worksheet. How to rename a worksheet? Suppose this is a selected sheet and you want to rename this sheet. You just right click on the selected sheet. This is the pop-up menu will appear and here is the option for renaming. Suppose you click on the rename button. Now type the name of this particular cell, like roll number. This is the name of this new tab, new sheet. Okay, so this is the way how to renaming a worksheet. And the last option that you can do with the sheet tab is a deleting a worksheet. Suppose if you want to delete a particular sheet, so the method is same. Select the particular sheet that you want to delete, right click on it and click on the delete button. Your selected sheet will be deleted. These are the 3 options you can do with sheet tab. First option, you can insert a new worksheet. Second, you can rename a worksheet. Third, you can delete a worksheet. So only 3 options you can do with the sheet tab. Okay. In the next lecture, I will tell you about the range and naming of a field. Okay. Always remember the intersection of row and column is known as the cell. This is the particular cell that you have selected. In this selected cell, you can type anything. Okay, in this way you can type anything in the selected cell. Okay, and these are the writing style, these are the font size. You can increase the size of your font. These options are available in the MS Word. You have learned these things in MS Word, but the main difference between MS Word and MS Excel, this is the sheet. In MS Word the sheet is plain like a page. You can insert in a writing manner, but in the Excel sheet you have to make a table. Actually, you can enter the data in the cell actually, not on the page. Okay, so this is how you can insert, rename and delete a worksheet. Okay class, next, thank you.